Okay. Then I got those two Phillips screws removed and two hex heads removed. This side was stubborn. That screw finally got it to budge. So this is the one we want to replace because it's not adjustable. That's going to involve cut the little clamp here, zip tie type clamp. It just snaps right off. There you go. So now that we know where it goes in here, the fun part is the drill. So what size do I want? You want it big enough too to do this, to cover this part. So that's not going to work. I think 3/8 should be good enough. Maybe not. I have to go 1/2 inch. Yeah, 1/2 inch. Can you see what I'm doing? Yeah. Alright. Let's see what kind of damage I can do here. And the new one should just snap right in. Just like that. Take the holes that you disconnected, put that in there, connect this. And there you go. I don't think that'll leak. If it does, so what? And you can see here the wires here that were cut. These go to the lid switch, which was bypassed. Right here. Alright, so that's how you bypass your automatic water level. I don't know how to bypass this yet, your auto temperature control. But let me put this thing back together and we'll give it a test. Where's the